Okay, it is March 17th, 2016. So, about a week ago, our oven, actually, it's probably like a month ago, our oven made a loud popping sound, and I thought that, I had no idea what the problem was. But then about a week ago, we had a neighbor come over and look at it, and he was able to, he actually tried taking it apart, which I didn't even bother trying because I figured I don't know anything about ovens. But he took it apart and he said that this part of the oven was bad. So this is something I took out of the oven. You can see it's just a generic oven range thing, Frigidaire. There's the new one that I put in. But my neighbor said I should replace it. And so this is the old panel thing that I took out, and I just wanted to kind of show what happened inside because this is pretty interesting. So we could only see the back right here, but we could kind of see inside the boards, and we could see that there was like some discoloration, like it was dark, and it should have been, the PCB's green, but it was dark for some reason. So out of curiosity, I took this out and opened it up to see what the black part looked like, and look at that. There's that side, and then this side's even worse. So something exploded in here, and it was so hot. Focus, please. It was so hot that I don't know if you can see, but the right here, it looks as if the solder mask actually burned off and that the ground plane is exposed. So something got really hot right around here. And if you look on the other side of the board, it's about where this sticker is. So it's probably this relay thing that heated up and blew up or whatever. So I just thought it was interesting how the PCB got destroyed because of the loud popping sound. So I was thinking about trying to replace this part without replacing this whole thing, because this whole thing was like $150, which there's no way it's worth that much, but I'm glad I got a new board because definitely needed it.